Growing up, Dad would cook fried rice at least once a week, and the main reason is to use up leftovers. We'd always have leftover rice in the fridge, just like this one, which is jasmine rice. This was cooked 2 days ago, and you can see the rice grains separating. There's little moisture in it, so it's a bit firm, and that is perfect for fried rice because it's going to absorb all of the flavours. Now, first up, heat some oil in a wok just like this, and you can add any ingredients. At the moment, I have lots of spring onions, so I'll throw them into my wok along with some capsicum and the holy trinity, as I like to call them, ginger, garlic and chilli. Fantastic for this. So it goes in and we'll give that wok a toss. And then I always have some lap trunk sausages in my fridge, but you could use some bacon for this or some leftover meat. Roast chicken that you've got left over is great too. Cutting these into 1 centimetre pieces. Lap trunk sausage is a Chinese sausage that has a slight amount of honey in it, so it's a bit sweet and it's a bit fatty, which means flavour. In it goes. And some frozen peas that I've defrosted. And now our leftover jasmine rice can go in, a few handfuls. And we'll let that rice soak up all the oil and the flavours of the garlic and the chilli and the ginger. Yummo. Now, it looks slightly dry now, but it won't be because we're going to add some classic sauces, some light soy sauce, and for some sweetness, some ketchup manis or sweet soy, about a tablespoon of that. And finally, some sesame oil. I'm going to be generous with it. About a teaspoon. Now we'll toss that together so all the rice is completely coated in the soy. It smells so good. Finally, the last addition is just 1 egg that I pre-fried in my wok. So it's just turned into a little omelette. We're just going to cut that into pieces. That's 2 eggs. And then we'll just coat the egg in all of that too. There you go. Done. Plate that up. And there you have it. That is my simple fried rice. It's all about using up leftovers and good quality ingredients. That is delicious. Rice, have it on standby for a recipe like this.